In the past 2 years, Honor's pursuit of phone appearance has reached its peak. It not only launched the Honor Magic series full of business models, but also launched a thin and fashionable digital series. The spirit of Honor's pursuit of high appearance has even extended to thousands of phones. Recently, Honor has launched a brand new $200 phone, the Honor X40i. This phone is still highlighted by its appearance, with a thin and light body and an ultra-narrow bezel. The reason why the $200 phone is unwilling to talk about appearance is mainly due to cost issues. At present, the thinking of most phone manufacturers is still at the stage of cost-effective. Consumers will pay even if there is no appearance. The first time I got the Honor X40i, I was really amazed by the appearance of this phone. The Honor X40i still retains the classic double mirror and double ring appearance, and this time it also innovatively uses the concept of interlocking rings, which can be said to be even better. The phone has a total of 4 different colors, namely Rose Galaxy, Xingming Silver, Magic Night Black. 4 different colors, of which Rose Galaxy is the main color this time, and the phone got Rose Galaxy color scheme. The color scheme of the Rose Galaxy is very interesting. The back of the phone is composed of thousands of interlaced and complicated small rhombuses, and the rhombuses are complex but not chaotic and orderly, exuding a different kind of beauty. If the light is not enough, the color of this phone is pink, and there is purple in the pink, which is very eye-catching. Once there is light, the color of the phone will change, and the color of the body will change. It turns into golden yellow, which is not too nice. In addition to the relatively novel color matching, the Honor X40i still uses a thin and light body appearance. This phone has added a custom-made new aluminum alloy and innovative ultra-thin PCB material, so the body weight is only 175 grams, with a body thickness of 7.43 millimeters. The Honor X40i, even if you play for a long time, your hands will not get tired. In addition to the body, the screen of the Honor X40i is also a bonus item for appearance. This phone is equipped with a 6.7-inch large screen. The large screen has a strong visual impact, but Honor has integrated the ultra-narrow bezels of the previous generation into it. The width of the left and right bezels is only 1.1 millimeters, which is why this phone's screen-to-body ratio is as high as 93.6%. The ultra-high screen-to-body ratio is not only refreshing to browse the web page, but also has a strong sense of immersion in watching videos. The screen of the Honor X40i supports 90 Hz high refresh rate, and also adopts Honor's self-developed screen-by-screen color temperature calibration technology, which can effectively eliminate the screen's perceived color difference. The natural color of the object shows that the color of the object is more real. Although the camera is not the strong point of the $200 phone, the Honor X40i has a rear 50 megapixels high-definition main camera that supports super night scene mode, portrait mode, and large aperture mode. It also has functions such as intelligent optimization, front and rear dual-view video recording, and micro-movies, which have high playability. Through the actual measurement, the Honor X40i can take very good proofs in a daytime environment with sufficient light. The proofs not only have relatively rich details, but also there is no distortion on the edge of the photo. The performance of the Honor X40i night scene is also remarkable. This phone can not only brighten the dark part, but also preserve the details very carefully. Since the algorithm of the Honor image is more reasonable, this phone can also suppress it very well. Highlights, and the black sky is extremely pure, and the night scene performance is still satisfactory. Honor X40i is equipped with Dimensity 700 processor, and this time the whole series is equipped with 8 GB of RAM, with GPU Turbo X, Link Turbo X, smart memory expansion and other technologies. Honor X40i can achieve a better experience with the same chip. In addition, this time the Honor X40i has also passed system-level anti-aging tuning, which can guarantee continuous smoothness for 36 months. When using the Honor X40i to play mobile games, thanks to the powerful underlying optimization capabilities of Honor, the performance of this phone is fairly stable. There are still some small gaps in comparison. In addition, since the Honor X40i supports 5 GB smart RAM expansion, combined with the original 8 GB, the RAM of this phone can reach 13 GB, so the phone has a high background survival rate. In the past 2 years, the memory of mobile apps has become larger and larger, and some apps have even increased by 100 times. Therefore, it is particularly important to choose a phone with a large memory. The Honor X40i supports a maximum of 256 GB of storage. The large memory can not only ensure the smooth operation of the phone, but also store more videos and photos. It fits into it without any pressure, and there will be a lot of space left. It is worth mentioning that the Honor X40i is also equipped with the Magic UI 6.1 system, which is also a bonus item for the smooth operation of the phone. The appearance of the Magic UI 6.1 system is also more reasonable and more user-friendly. Apps such as Memo, Weather, Gallery, and Clock can be presented on the desktop in the form of cards, so that users can achieve clear goals at a glance without entering the secondary menu. In the past 2 years, telephone fraud has been prevalent, and as consumers, we are really hard to guard against. In addition to the system, Magic UI 6.1 has also enhanced user privacy and security. Among them, the built-in anti-fraud detection and anti-lost mode are the two most practical functions. The anti-fraud detection function can accurately intercept various fraudulent information, phone, and protect property safety. The addition of the anti-lost function increases the probability of finding the phone after it is lost. When we turn on the anti-lost mode, a password is required when the phone is turned off. Otherwise it can only remain on and cannot be turned off. We can set the phone to lost mode through remote operation. At this time, we only need a simple operation, and our contact information will be displayed in the lost phone. In addition, by logging into the search device service, you can also check the location of the phone, the battery level of the phone, and lock the SIM card to prevent important information from being leaked. Of course, as a thin and light phone, many people are more concerned about the battery life of the Honor X40i. After all, the battery capacity of the phone is only 4000 mAh. Through the actual measurement, when the brightness is 50% and the volume is 50%, watching 1080p online video, it takes 11 hours and 20 minutes for the Honor X40i to consume 100% of the power to 20%. This battery life performance is quite surprising. The Honor X40i also supports 40-watt wired fast charging. It takes about an hour to fully charge the phone. This charging speed is really not fast. However, this phone supports smart charging mode. The phone will learn intelligently according to the user's work and rest time and usage habits. When we rest at night, the phone's power is charged to about 80%, and the final remaining power is fully charged 2 hours before we get up. The first function not only guarantees the full charge of our phone, but also saves energy to a certain extent. Generally speaking, the Honor X40i is a $200 phone that opens up a new path. This phone not only has a thin and light body, a super high value, but also has a large memory blessing. Coupled with the starting price of $225, it is also worth the money. If you are a good-looking person and like the thin and light feel, I believe that the small Honor X40i will not let you down. Thank you for watching this review. I hope it was useful for you. Have a nice day and see you soon.